Baking a moist chocolate cake. Baking a moist chocolate cake is a delightful way to end a meal or celebrate a special occasion. You will need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of sugar, 75 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, 240 milliliters of milk, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, and a tsp of vanilla extract. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a cake pan with a bit of oil or butter and dust it with flour. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Add the sugar and mix well. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix well until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, enjoy the moist chocolate cake with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream.